Alright, so I got one whole section unwound here. Let me just see how long it is and see if it'll fit. How much more do I need to unwind? Anyway. Alright, so I definitely had enough wire. I'm going to have to take this and straighten it a little bit in certain places and then rewind it, which is kind of a pain. I'm going to take this and wind up the rest of this crap on there. So that section there gave me plenty. I don't know how much I got left over. Let me roll it up. So there was that much extra. So I could make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more of these antennas out of just this. So but I've got this one to do, and then the 80 meter, and I'm gonna have them both. Actually I think you can just basically use just the 80 meter one, and this would be, I don't know if it would be better for 40 or not if you use this instead. I think what would happen if you use the 80 for 40, you would end up with a lot more coil and less radiator, which is not as good. So that's kind of some of the things you need to think about if you're going to build a vertical antenna. I mean, you want to have as much vertical radiating element as possible. That's where this antenna right here really fails. So this is a gigantic coil. Here's an 80 coil, 60, 40, 30, 20, 17, 15, 10, and then that radiates as a 6 meter or 2 meter. But you have, this is like almost 12 inches. It's, maybe 1.5 feet, if that. So it's not a very good radiator. And the problem with this one is you can't adjust the taps, so you're stuck with their determined length on that. So if you have an antenna, like if we could take this and adjust it anywhere, we could put a much longer whip on it and then, use less of the 80 meter coil to get on 80. Thing is, it does work. But, that's just how well, So anyway, I'm going to take a break from this, and then I'm going to go check on some stuff I got printing for the other coil, and we'll be back with an update.